Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook music story not showing. So for that you have to first go for your Play Store and search for Facebook, and you have to update if in this button update here. So you have to update. I have already updated this Facebook, so in this page not showing in my phone. So go back and go for your settings, click on this app and notifications, go for Facebook, and you have to go for in this storage and caches, you have to just clear cache. Now go back, go to Facebook, refresh it, go to settings, and you can see here is the music option. So that's it. This is how you can fix music story on Facebook. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.